I'm going to show you how to create these animations in no time and with the help of AI. If you stay until the end of the video, you'll learn to design your own characters, which can even be yourself, and finally animate them using a real video you can find online or record yourself. Wanna see how? Let's go! Let's start with the character creation. The workflow I'll show you works for any style, but I'll go with Captain Tsubasa anime. The prompt is in the description, so we open Remix, the link is as usual, and the step-by-step video for using Magic Camera is on the channel too. Click here, take a selfie or upload any image and add this prompt. Captain Tsubasa anime style illustration retro. Super simple, choose the image and bring it to Photoshop Beta. There we'll complete the rest of our character's body with generative fill. You don't need to add a prompt, but as in other tutorials I recommend doing it step by step for better control over the final result. Once our character is ready, we need a reference video to bring our character to life. It can be any video, but I preferred not to use any existing ones due to copyright, so I recorded myself listening to a song and goofing around. No, dancing is not my thing. The song you hear was generated in Udio with this simple prompt: metalcore, heavy drums, bass and electric guitar. Simple. Alright, we have everything ready to build our animation. For this, we'll use Domo AI, the link is in the description as well, and this time we'll use the Move option. First, upload the reference video, then upload the image of our character. We can write a prompt, in this case something simple like an anime man dancing. Choose a style, I'm comfortable with version 6, and finally select a duration. Remember, the duration can't be longer than the reference video. Click generate and wait. After a few minutes we'll get something like this. Pretty promising, but we can make it even better. What if we keep the character and create a custom dynamic background? I use the Gen and Animate options without leaving Domo, but I'll show you how to do this in the next video. Finally, let's put the scene together in CapCut. And done! I added another version of myself, some effects, looks pretty good. I'm sure you'll make the most of this tool. Leave me a comment on what you think and if you'd like me to try something different. If you like it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest in AI. Tech Hala signing off. Bye bye guys.